Good morning, everyone. Welcome to June 19th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we've got the Dow futures up 31, the S&P futures are up 3, and NASDAQ futures are up 11. Asian shares were lower while European shares were higher overnight. Futures were lower ahead of the bell Monday as the bears looked to take back some of Friday's gains. The market did open lower as expected, but buyers emerged late morning. By the time the market closed, the NASDAQ and S&P had climbed, while the Dow had fallen slightly. Today we'll get housing starts and building permits at 8:30 a.m., with the market expecting a reading of 710,000 and 720,000 respectively. Today we'll get earnings from Adobe, Discover Financial Services, FedEx Corp., and Jabil Circuit. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1324, the 50-day at 1347, and the 200-day at 1292. The S&P closed at 1344 with support at 1322 and resistance at 1347. There wasn't much for traders to work with Monday morning as the bulls hoped to extend Friday's gains. The market started out weak, but that changed as the day progressed, with the S&P touching its 50-day moving average before closing at 1344. If the bulls can keep the momentum going here and get the S&P to close over the 50-day, then they could have a shot at the May 11th high of 1365. The VIX fell big time on Monday, down over 13% and closing at 1832, and is now down almost 34% from its June 4 peak. Notice how the VIX is now well below all of the important technical levels, giving the clear advantage to the bulls. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.